Let's complete that problem. It was 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by 15 equals to 1 by v minus 1 by minus 20. That gives you 1 by 15. This will come this side, minus and plus, again minus 1 by 20 equals to 1 by v. Okay, then it will be 60 is LCM. This is 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 by v. 1 by 60 equals to 1 by v. V equals to 60 centimeter. So now magnification, h equals to given in 3, h dash we don't know, question mark. So h dash by h equals to v by u. This is the formula. Let's put. So h dash by h is 3 equals to v 60 by minus 20. This is cancelled 3. So h dash equals to minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9. So h dash height of the image is minus 9 centimeter. Why minus? Because it is inverted. Okay. Now let us see. Again magnification is v by u. So v is 60 by minus 20, that is minus 3. So what is the nature you found? Nature is real, inverted, enlarged. Okay. Now let's take a question based on concave lens. Question is, a concave lens has a focal length of 30 centimeter. A concave lens has a focal length of 30 centimeter. Okay. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed? At what distance from the lens means optical center, the object should be placed so that it forms an image of 20 centimeter, so that it forms an image at 20 centimeter from the lens. At 20 centimeter from the lens. Okay. Then what else we need? Find the magnification of the lens. Find the magnification of the lens. Okay, let's see now. Optical center, this is suppose focus, this is center of curvature. Now your question is of concave lens of focal length 30. So how is the focal length 30? Object is placed 20 centimeter. If this is focal length is 30 means little more I will put it here. F, this is C. The object is placed here. Why? Because this is 30, object is placed at 20, so it is between focus and optical center. So it forms an image here. Object we don't know. Image distance is given to us. Okay, look at it. Suppose the objective we don't know exactly, somewhere it is here. The ray that goes parallel to principal axis, diverges in the direction of focus. Another ray that passes through optical center passes out without any defect. This is now image. If this is AB, this is your A dash B dash. Okay, that means focus is this side. F equals to minus 30 and V equals to minus 20. U is not given to us. Formula is same. 1 by F equals to 1 by F equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U minus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by U. So to simplify it, so what do you get? Minus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 equals to minus 1 by U. This implies 30, 20 LCM is 60. 60 by 30 minus 20. So minus 2 plus 3 equals to minus 1 by U. Implies 1 by 60 equals to minus 1 by U. 60 equals to minus U. Therefore, U equals to minus 60. That means this is in this side. Object is minus 60 here. So magnification formula is V by U. Magnification equals to V by U. So V is how much? V is minus 20 by minus 60. That is 1 upon 3. That means 0.33 magnification. So obviously this is smaller than this one. This is about. Okay, any more question will you have? Okay, first I'll teach you a little about power. Then we will go to define power of lens. Power of lens. Power of lens we define reciprocal of the focal length. It is actually the degree of the measurement or the degree of measurement degree measurement of convergence or divergence of light rays, of convergence or divergence of the light rays. Means in the lens how much it is converging or diverging. Suppose this is the lens here. If there is a ray here, how much it is converging, this angle we have to find out. So also power of lens equals to, you can write here, also the power of lens is equal to the reciprocal of focal length in meter. Means power equals to 1 by f. This f is in meter. 1 by f in meter. Also, what is SI unit? Unit of power of lens. That is 1 diopter. So 1 diopter is theory. So 1 diopter equal to 1 by f in meter means, what shall I write? That is 1 meter per inverse. That is 1 by 1 meter. If I take 1 diopter. Okay. Now let's take a question here. There is a question. An object of height 4 centimeter an object of height 4 centimeter is placed at a distance of of 15 centimeter in front of a concave lens, in front of a concave lens of power minus in diopter. Okay, then what if I find the size of the image? Find the size of the image. First you understand this. Diopter in the concave lens is negative because its focus is somewhere here. This side. This is the focal point. But in the concave lens, the focus is in the right side. So this will be positive diopter, this will be negative diopter. So now look at here. So what is given? Power is given. The diopter is given you, or power is given you, minus 10 diopter. Okay. So what shall I write? power is, but what is power? 1 by f, 1 by f in meter. So 1 by f equals to minus 10. So you can write here 1 by f equals to minus 10. So f equals to minus 1 by 10, but this is in meter. So this will be meter here. This will be meter. So but this meter you have to convert to centimeter. F in meter here na? Minus 1 by 10. Okay, then so F will be how much? F will be minus 1 by 10 in meter. F has to be in meter. F is minus 1 by 10 meter. Meter को सेंटीमीटर में convert करो. So how much you will get? The minus 1 by 10 into 100 centimeter. So minus 10 centimeter. So focus is now minus 10 centimeter. Now what else was given to us? Then focus we got. Object distance was given. U is also given minus 15 centimeter. Okay, let's put in the formula. That is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f means minus 1 by 10 equals to 1 by v minus 1 by minus 15. So what shall I get? If you simplify, this is minus 1 by 10 plus will come this side again minus 1 by v. 15, 5, 2, 3, 30 minus 3 minus 2 equals to 1 by v. Minus 5 by 30 equals to 1 by v, implies v equals to minus 6, because if you want to write it again here, minus 1 by 6 equals to 1 by v, v equals to minus 6 centimeter, means very closer to the lens. Okay, then magnification, how to find? Now h dash by h equals to magnification h dash by h equals to v by u. Okay, what is given to us? Object of height is given. This is given. So h dash by 4 equals to v. How much you got? Minus 6. Minus 6 by minus 15. Let's take this 4 that side. So you get h dash equals to minus 6 by minus 15 into 4. This gets cancelled. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 8 by 5. That is in centimeter. Okay. Now let's take another question. Focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. The small question will come. Focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. What is its power? Okay, the focal length equals to 25 centimeter, but focus has to be in meter, so that I have to write 25 by 100 meter. Means if I put point here, 20 means leave 2 decimal, after decimal 2 digits, 0.25 meter. That is there. So power will be how much? Power equals to 1 by F in diameter. That will come in terms of diameter. This is in meter. So this is in meter. So that will be 1 by 0.25 meter. So 1 by 0.25, right? Because meter already have done there. So that will be 1 into 100 by 0.25 into 100. So how much you got? Because power will come in terms of, that means when you write F, you should write in meter form. That is how we converted to meter. So that is 100 by this decimal gone 25. 25 4s. So that is 4 diameter. Plus 4 diameter. Why? Because it is convex lens. Power will be positive. Concave lens power will be negative. Remaining we will discuss tomorrow.